You're watching Talk with Audrey. Welcome back. The Affordable Care Act has paved access to affordable health coverage and care for more than 20 million Americans, including 4 million Latino adults and 600,000 children. However, Latinos make up nearly 30% of those uninsured and have the second highest uninsured rate amongst all racial and ethnic groups. Alberto Gonzalez Jr. is the Senior Project Manager for the Health Policy Project at Unidos US, and he has information for us about everything you need to know when it comes to open enrollment and their campaign. So we're going to talk about it. Eligibility, costs, timing, everything you need to know to make that phone call. Welcome, Alberto.
Thank you for having me.
It's my pleasure. So open enrollment for the healthcare programs that are part of the Affordable Care Act is available. When did it start and when does it end?
Absolutely. So the open enrollment period began November 1st and it ends January 15th, 2022. So this is the opportunity for people to shop around, check out your coverage options that you could take advantage of, especially during this moment in time. So we encourage folks to visit healthcare.gov for more information about affordable coverage options during this open enrollment period.
Tell us what Unidos US is doing to increase awareness about enrollment.
Yeah, so we, for the past 9 years, we've actually helped work to execute a campaign geared towards Latinos to encourage them to sign up for health coverage. And this year, we're on the airwaves, we're on social media, encouraging Latinos to take action and enroll today to ensure that they and their loved ones have the coverage that they need at this time. And, it's important to recognize that this year, especially, there's more affordable coverage options now than ever. And we want to make sure that every member of our community takes advantage of these options to have peace of mind for themselves and their loved ones during these tough times.
And what are some of the coverage options that are available?
Well, thanks to the American Rescue Plan Act that was signed into law this past year, there are more affordable coverage options than ever this time around. We know that 9 in 10 people who sign up for health coverage on healthcare.gov, they qualify for financial help. So that means many more people this year, as opposed to years past, are eligible to get financial assistance to afford health coverage. And as a result, 4 in 5 people who purchase a health plan on healthcare.gov, they could find a plan that costs $10 a month or less. So these are available affordable coverage options for people, especially during this time. The other option I want to throw out there also is Medicaid. Medicaid is another critical tool and resource for people who are between jobs or have had life changes. That's another resource for people. And again, all this information can be found on healthcare.gov.
Well, who's eligible to sign up for health coverage?
Absolutely. So U.S. citizens, legal permanent residents, and other qualifying immigrants are eligible to sign up for health coverage. And again, all this information can be found on healthcare.gov. And it's important to note that, in the past, if folks have looked at coverage plans on healthcare.gov and found them to be too expensive, or maybe in the past they weren't eligible for financial assistance because they made a bit too much money. There's been some recent changes made in law that have made it more accessible for people to access affordable health coverage on the marketplace. So, there are many people out there who are uninsured are eligible for health coverage. We know that, for example, 7 in 10 uninsured Latino adults can find an affordable health coverage plan on healthcare.gov. So this is such a critical time and critical work that we're doing to raise awareness about the open enrollment period.
And where can people go for more information and to sign up for coverage through the Affordable Care Act?
We encourage people to visit our website, that's UnidosUS.org, to learn more information about our work to raise awareness about the open enrollment period, our work on ACA coverage, our advocacy work on the ACA. And also, we encourage people to visit healthcare.gov to shop around and look for their coverage options and to sign up before January 15, 2022 to ensure that they have peace of mind for themselves and their loved ones.
All right. Unidos US is the nation's largest Latino civil rights and advocacy organization, and they've launched a bilingual awareness campaign to urge eligible Latinos to enroll or renew their health coverage plan during the 2022 open enrollment period under the Affordable Care Act. So there's coverage out there that's available. Check out those websites and spread the word in your community. Alberto, thanks so very much for joining me on the show today.
Thanks so much for having me.
There's more to come on Talk with Audrey. I'll be right back.